Suji 1 cup. Sugar 1 cup. Zarda 1 teaspoon. Cardamom 1 tablespoon. Cooking oil 1 cup. Suji add in the pan or kadahi. Roast it. Water 2 cup. Sugar 1 cup. Zarda 1 teaspoon. Ilachi 3 to 4. Cooking oil 1 cup. Ilachi 4 to 5. Roast it until golden brown. Secret of recipe is milk. Milk 1/4 cup. Look at the color. Its color is brown. Sugar water chashni. Final product. Looks delicious. Look at the structure.